everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I will discuss about sentence and type of sentence. Lesson 1 part 2. This sentence, which I have been discussed in the previous video. A sentence is a group of words which start with a capital letter and ends with full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Example: John waited for the train. The train was late. Type of sentences. There are 4 types of sentence. Number 1, assertive or declarative sentence. Number 2, imperative sentence. Number 3, interrogative sentence. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. What is declarative sentence? A declarative sentence simply makes a statement or expresses an opinion. Example of this sentence type: I want to be a good writer, makes a statement. My friend is a really good writer, expresses an opinion. What is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence gives a command or make a request. Example of this sentence type: please sit down. What is interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. This type of sentence often begins with who, what, where, when, why, how, or do, and it ends with a question mark. Example of this sentence type: what is your name? What is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses great emotion, such as excitement, surprise, happiness, and anger, and ends with an exclamation mark. Example of this sentence type: it is too dangerous to climb that mountain.